Three realities, 1 year, 2035. A timeline built on secrecy. A timeline built on control. A timeline built on chaos. They were never meant to collide until now. Let's build this futuristic story-type videos using Filmora.
Before we start, let me be clear about one thing. This is not the kind of tutorial where I tell you to click here, open that menu, and apply a random effect. This video is about understanding the concept. It's about learning how to use features and effects creatively, not mechanically. Once you understand the thinking behind it, you won't just copy this video. You'll be able to create it. Well, I already have a voiceover ready, and if you want to create this, just go to the audio section, then click on text to speech. Simply paste your script there and select a voice of your choice.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
This movie trailer style voice sounds very cinematic,
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
which works perfectly for trailers and futuristic videos. As the first step, I'll add this voiceover to the timeline.
Three realities, 1 year, 2035.
Now I'll go to stock media and search for planets because space-style visuals are perfect for our futuristic theme. I'll move this audio slightly forward to create a more dramatic vibe.
Three realities, 1 year, 2035.
Next, I will open the title section, search for future, drag the first one here, and trim the extra part. Then I'll go to advanced and simply replace the text. For the font, I'll choose Good Times and reduce the size. You can also experiment by placing the text in different positions. I'll set the spacing to 1 and hit apply. This part is done.
Three realities, 1 year, 2035.
Next, we'll add futuristic AI clips. Go to stock media, then AI media, and search for Cyber Extreme. For this project, I'll select the first one. Click this icon to add your image, set it to portrait, and then click Submit. You can customize the prompt if you want. Just make sure you've checked the terms properly. Otherwise, the video will have a watermark. Wait a few seconds and check the process status in the My Files section. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and check out our previous creative videos. Now I'll add this generated clip to the timeline. To fit it properly on the screen, press Ctrl+F on the keyboard. The result looks quite impressive.
A timeline built on secrecy. A timeline built on control.
You can use scenes like this in documentaries, short films, and similar projects. To enhance it further, I'll add sound effects. Go to the audio section, search for Impact, and click on Sound Effects. Scroll down until you find a suitable sound. I'll place this sound right at the beginning and move all other assets a few frames forward. Now you understand why I did that.
Three realities.
I could show you detailed sound effects, but that wouldn't be the right approach. You might ask why? Because even if I tell you the exact sound and video effects, they may not suit your project. That's why I want you to understand the concept, how and why we creatively use different effects. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like it and definitely subscribe to the channel.